Hi, I'm Leo, and in this video we'll be looking at some GRE tips, and we're going to focus on comparing fractions. So basically there are two methods to this. The first one is the cross multiplication, and the second one is the use of benchmark values. So now we use cross multiplication when you are comparing fractions with smaller numbers. Let's say you have 7/9 or 4/5. So when you have fractions like this that involve small numbers, you can use cross multiplication. So let's cross multiply. Now 7 times 5 or 4 times 9. So 7 times 5, that will be 35. Oh, this stuff is not writing properly. Okay, that will be 35, or 4 times 9, that will be 36. So because this number is greater, it means that 4/5 is higher or bigger than 7/9. So that's the cross multiplication method. Now when you have, let's say, something like 127 over 255 or 169 over 320. Now you can see the values in these fractions, they are quite large. So if you use cross multiplication, it's not going to be easy, and since you're not allowed to use a scientific calculator, you have to find a way of doing this as fast as possible. So this is where we use the benchmark values. So what you do is multiply this numerator by 2. So here we have 127 times 2. Now 2 times 7 is 14, so we write 4, keep 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, that's 5. Now 2 times 1 is 2. Now you can see that 254 is slightly less than 255, meaning that 127 over 255 is slightly below the middle. That's half of it. Now let's look at this part. Now we have 169. Let's multiply by 2. Now 2 times 9 is 18. We'll keep 1. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1. That's 13. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1. That's 3. Now when you look at this other fraction, 169 times 2 is higher than 320. So this one is slightly above the half mark, while this one is slightly below the half mark. So because this one is slightly above, it means that this fraction is actually bigger than this other one. So these are the two basic methods. Like I said earlier, we use the cross multiplication when we have small values, and we use the benchmark values when we have larger numbers or larger values. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.